Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to create a student registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the demo of the website. So these are the input fields. Here we can enter information. Now we have to specify birth date, any birth date. Then we have to enter email address. Then we are specifying the mobile number and then city. On clicking the register button, it will output the information. So that is the whole working of the website. Now let's get to the source code of the website on how to build it. So this is the source code of student registration form. First we have added the basic layout of HTML document, that is document type HTML, HTML language English. Then we have specified the head tags. Um, then after head tag, starting from the body tag, we have first created a division class container1, that is used to specify a container in which a form is created. Then we are creating a form named form, and then we are specifying a title, that is student registration form, using a division class. Then we are taking all the inputs we require. You can add your personal inputs if you want. First we are taking a name, then we are taking a birth date using the date input, then email address using email input, mobile number using number input, and city using text input. And then we have created a submit button. So that is the whole form. And also we have created a new container, that is container 2. So, and this is a division class info. So this class will be basically used to output all the details we will submit. So at the end we have attached the JavaScript file. So this is the CSS of the document. You can get the source code in description box and you can further modify it according to yourself. Now coming to the JavaScript file, we are storing all the form inputs in the variable form element, and all the details that will be shown in that info field are basically output using the variable information. So now we have created only one function, that is the form element. So it will execute when we will click the submit button, that is dot add event listener submit. So now what will be executed? So first we have created a e.prevent default, that is if any value is like not suitable, then this function will not be executed. So it will prevent the function if the conditions are not satisfied. Now if all things are okay, then we will go to this step. Then in this, all the input we have added, we are storing it in the variables called name, then birth date in X, email ID in email ID, mobile number in mob, and the city in metropolis. So we have stored all our input in the variables. Now for outputting the information, we are creating a HTML syntax. So that is const HTML. That is, first we are specifying the heading, then we are outputting all the details like student name, and then we have created the syntax that whatever value is stored in the variable, it will be printed here. Same goes for birth date, email, mobile number and city. So this is the HTML that will output the result. Now how to implement this HTML in our website? Now what we are doing is, we have basically specified the variable information to output the result. So this information will now contain, so this is a JavaScript function, insert adjacent HTML. So it is specifying that what HTML file has to be uh, inserted and where. So it will be inserted after begin, and what will be inserted, this HTML variable what we have created. So that is in the information variable. Now we have this HTML thing with us, and that will be so this function will make it visible to the users, and at last this is specifying that on clicking the submit button we have to reset the form value, that is the form fields will become empty and will be reset. So this is the whole JavaScript file. Now let's get to the website. So now, since now you have seen the code, you can better understand it. So this was the container, then this is the division class for the heading, these are the input fields and form, then this register button. So we can add more values. So this is the whole student registration form. You can get the whole code in description box. Thank you.